How to hide apps on your iPhone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you 3 easy ways to hide apps without deleting them. The first method is hiding apps from the home screen. Simply press and hold the app you want to hide, then tap Remove App and select Remove from Home Screen. The app will disappear from your home screen, but it will still be available in the app library. Second method is hiding an entire home screen page. Long press on an empty area of your home screen until icons start to jiggle. Then tap the dots at the bottom. Now uncheck the page you want to hide. That page will no longer appear on your home screen. Third method is using screen time to hide apps. Go to Settings, then tap Screen Time. Select Content and Privacy Restrictions, and make sure it is turned on. Now tap Allowed Apps, and disable the apps you want to hide, such as FaceTime or other built-in apps. You can also use content restrictions to hide apps based on age rating. For example, lowering the age limit will hide certain social media apps from your device. And that's how you hide apps on iPhone in 3 different ways. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks.